Hello YouTube, thanks for tuning in again and welcome to the second video in this tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and clear out the screen and let's start working on a new script. We're going to call this script 2. And remember, don't forget the shebang at the top. And here we're going to just start trying to use variables. All right, we're going to try to put together some sentences and put some substitutions in, simple substitutions, so that you can see how variables are created and how you can substitute variables with strings, or use the variable name rather than the strings themselves. All right. You always want to use the $sign in front of a variable. That's how you can indicate whether it's a variable or not. And the neat thing about Bash is you don't have to do like you would do in Python, where you have to utilize a string and an addition sign and concatenate the strings, or specify if it's string or int or anything like that. It's not strongly typed like that, so you can kind of move a little quicker. That's what scripting is all about. That's what into programming. You can move quickly. You can get fast tasks done. Anything that you do manually on the system, it can be pretty much repeated quickly. And always be careful about how you name things. Try to use keep up with your convention. Either you want to capitalize the first letter, or capitalize the entire word, or keep lowercase. Remember that Linux is case sensitive, so you want to keep up with that when you're creating your variables and just scripting in general. So let's see what happens here. Remember, we want to execute. We'll make this executable. We know it's green, so that's good. My first name is Sam and my last name is Hawk. Alright, please tune into the next video where we start talking about integers and how to add, multiply, and subtract using integers and variable sets with Bash.